Hello, GoPro users and non-users of GoPro. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss different resets of GoPro Hero 8. One of these is the preset resets, the reset camera tips, and then the factory reset. I will not discuss more on details the reset camera tips because it's just a simple reset of your camera tips on how to use this GoPro Hero 8. So stick around. If you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated on my upcoming videos for this GoPro Hero 8. So come and join me as we walk through for these different resets. Okay, so once you turn on your GoPro Hero 8, it will usually go to this screen. So it goes to the standard basic screen of GoPro. So first we'll talk about the format of SD card. So go to preferences. Okay, so go to preferences and then look for resets. So just slide until you find the button reset. Okay, so once you found the button reset, just press the reset and then press the format SD card. So this will be our first topic to how to format the SD card. So once you click the format SD card, it will show this screen, delete all files and reformat your SD card. So basically, it will just format your SD card. It's always a best practice to format your SD card once you get the video in one particular place, so that you can keep or you will have a backup of your different videos or images in certain location or place. So always your best practice to format your SD card. So we're now going to format the SD card. So once it's finished, it will go back to this screen. Okay, so we're finished with the format SD card. So our next topic would be the reset presets. So first we will look at these three different resets of GoPro Hero 8. So there are, as I mentioned, there are three resets. First, reset preset, reset camera tips, and factory reset. So we'll go first with the reset preset. So once you select a reset preset, so these are the things that it will be done in the reset preset. So reset preloaded preset to the original settings and delete all custom settings. It means that all the original settings will go back to this original one, and all your custom preset will be reset. So it will erase all your customs preset. So as I mentioned, I will not tackle anymore with this camera reset, as this one is just reset the camera tips. Okay, now we'll go to the factory reset. So once you click the factory reset, it will reset your settings, clears your connection, and removes the camera from your GoPro Plus account. So as you remember, you have your GoPro account, which also the device that you are using, or the GoPro device, is also written in that GoPro account. So that will be erased, and once you do the factory reset, it will reinstall that device in that GoPro Plus account. So always go to this factory reset if you experience any like it's not, your GoPro is not behaving properly, or your GoPro is not cooperating, which means that there are some error that you are getting when you use the GoPro Hero 8. So yeah, so that would be your last resort if somebody, if you commit, if you have any error in your GoPro, so that would be the last resort that you will do to refresh your GoPro Hero 8. So I will now click the factory reset, and we'll see what will happen once we do the factory reset. Okay, so now we'll click on the reset. So once you click the reset, okay, we'll see what will happen if once we click the reset. As I mentioned, this will be your last resort if you have any error, if you are getting any error in your GoPro. So once you click the reset, it will circle around, and then it will reset your GoPro Hero 8. So it means that once you reset your GoPro Hero 8, it will come to the new, just like a new GoPro Hero 8. When you buy your GoPro Hero 8, it's just brand new again. So all the settings will be erased, all those presets will be erased. So once you do the factory reset, it will go to this screen. So it will ask you again to enter your language, the date, the time, and all other settings will be reset to its original settings. Again, we're done with these 3 resets. So just like I mentioned, it will go back to this screen. So if you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and notification bell so that you'll be updated on the coming up videos. Goodbye.